Hello from the Blue Oval Car Barn in beautiful downtown Mineral Wells, Texas. You know, we're right down the street from the Baker Hotel underneath the Crazy Water sign. Stop by and see us sometime. Today I want to talk about 6 cars the barn has acquired in the last couple of weeks. The first I want to talk about is this convertible 72 HO. It's in golden glow with a black convertible top. Very unusual car. Only 13 of them made, one of the rarest Mustangs ever built. The very end of Ford's high performance world until the GT Mustang came out many years later. This car is essentially a Boss 351 convertible. They detuned it a little by putting open chamber heads on it and flat top pistons. Other than that, the driveline is identical to a Boss 351. Same top loader, same rear end, same engine, solid lifters. Everything's pretty much the same. The last of the hot rods is right here, guys. They made 380 or 90 total HOs. Only 13 of those were convertibles, and only one was painted golden glow with a black top, and this is it. This is a 30,000 mile car that was bought by a Ford executive, and we acquired it from his estate a few weeks ago. It's going to go to the Boss Nationals. It's going to go to the Muscle Car Nationals. It's going to sit in the showroom next door. Come by and see it. I'm going to open up the hood and point out some of the similarities between it and the Boss 351. Okay, let's take a look and see what we've got here. Obviously no ram air. None of the HOs had ram air. They're all essentially California emissions compliant. They've got this snorkel right here that goes down to a cool air box under the battery. Same intake manifold, same valve covers, very similar carburetor and specifications, very similar radiator, same transmission, same rear end ratio, same big axles as a Boss 351. So basically you get a Boss 351 as close as you could convertible, which was never available in 71. It would have been cool if it was, but it wasn't. These cars flex a little bit, so if you really hook it up, maybe you might bend it, I don't know. But with the high compression engine, it would be more likely to happen. Now, what I want to talk about is we also located a light yellow gold or medium yellow gold M-code sports roof in Boston, and we brought it in. It's a 4-speed track lock car. There's a picture of it right here. We found 4 cars in a pole barn in Alabama. We found a Boss 302, a Boss 429, a Boss 351, and a Shelby GT 500. Here's a few pictures of them. I'm going to show you where it was at, how we found it, each car where they're at when we found it. Then we drug them home back to Texas. We're going to clean them up, and they'll be on display here at the car barn. Look for another video on that particular barn find soon. This is it from today. Golden Glow 72 HO convertible, one of the true unicorns in the world of high performance Fords. Talk to you later from the Blue Oval Car Barn. See you later. Come by and see us. Thank you.